If you are looking for the best leftover rice recipe, this chili garlic rice is just what you need. It is an easy fix for what to do with leftover rice, packed with flavor and ready in no time. To make this delicious and super simple chili garlic rice, start by chopping, or even better if you grind about 10 to 12 garlic cloves to really bring out their flavor. Then add about 1 teaspoon of salt and 4 teaspoons of red chili powder to the ground garlic and mix everything together well. This will create a flavorful paste that will coat the rice perfectly, as I will show you now. Take about 3 cups of leftover rice and mix it in with the garlic and chili paste you just made. Stir everything together until the rice is nicely coated with the spices for a tasty kick, as you can see here. But we're not done yet. In the frying pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat and add 1½ teaspoons of cumin seeds, 7 to 8 unpeeled garlic cloves, and 3 to 4 dried red chilies, and cook until the cumin seeds change color and the garlic cloves turn golden brown, as you can see here. Now, add 2 chopped green chilies and 2 medium onions thinly sliced. Cook everything until the onions become soft, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. After that, add 20 to 25 curry leaves and mix for another minute. Now add the leftover rice, which we have already mixed with the chili and garlic paste. Stir everything together well and cook on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until heated through. You are going to love this leftover rice recipe. This chili garlic fried rice is full of flavor and it is so filling and perfect for a quick meal. Plus, it is a great way to use up leftover rice. If you enjoyed this chili garlic rice recipe, you would definitely want to try my latest recipe here also. Take a look now.